Hello everyone, welcome to another Cast Family video. I'm Qasim.
And I'm Bushra.
And in this video, we're going to show you what we pack in Xavier's diaper bag. Now, Bushra has been getting a lot of messages asking how and what to pack in Xavier's diaper bag. So she's going to take over this video and I'm going to be the camera guy. So I hope you like my camera skills. And before I get into that, Bushra, how do you feel about this video?
I can't believe we are finally doing it. I've been getting so many messages in my Instagram inbox. How exactly do you pack Xavier's diaper bag? We are finally doing it, guys, for you.
Finally. And before we get into it, Bushra, how important and essential is it to have a diaper bag on the go?
You can forget anything, but not a diaper bag. Be it a small grocery shopping, you have to carry a diaper bag.
We need it for the baby, because the baby, when he needs a diaper or he needs a bottle or he needs a change of clothes, babies don't understand whether we're just doing a small, short grocery shopping or whether we're at a convenience store. If they need their stuff, they need their stuff. And that's why we need the diaper bag. All right. So, Bush, are you ready? Let's do this.
Look, guys, who's up from the nap? Zavi. Zavi, say hi. Hi, guys. I think he knew that we are talking about his diaper bag, so he wanted to make sure that he's here.
All right, Zavi, are you going to help us with this video?
Zavi?
All right, let's show everybody your diaper bag, okay? So you want to sit beside Mama?
Clapping! Are we starting, Zavi? Yay! Okay, Zavi, you need to sit beside me now to help Mama.
Okay, all right, Bushra. So what do we got here?
Okay, guys, now let me show you the diaper bag I use for him.
Okay, perfect.
This is the diaper bag. Let's have a closer look.
Nice. So what is this? What kind of style of diaper bag is this, Bushra?
So just talking about my diaper bag, when I had to choose between a tote bag or a backpack, I went for a backpack. Why? Because of these straps.
Yeah.
Which just make your hands free. And also it's very convenient for you to carry a backpack than a tote bag. And your husband can carry a diaper bag too. Guys, it's so pretty. It's blue. And I really like, oh my God, he's pulling my hair now, guys.
Xavier, can you please let Mama make the video?
Xavier, can you just let me make the video, please?
Yeah, I think he's going for his pacifier.
Yes.
And,
have
okay.
a seat, please. Take your pacifier. Thank you. Okay, talking about the detailing, guys, look how pretty this diaper bag is. Some beige and golden details.
What is it, denim material?
It's denim material. It's waterproof. If
okay,
the
nice.
water or the milk leaks in the diaper bag, it would just save it from any damage.
Nice, okay.
So pretty. I really like this gold and beige on this blue. Why we chose blue? Because we knew that we were having Xavier.
All right, very nice. So what's inside? Is it already packed here?
Finally, the reveal, guys. It's already packed. I'm going to finally reveal the secret of what to have in the diaper bag. What exactly do I carry for his diaper bag? So let's have that reveal.
All right, let's do this.
Okay, beginning from inside. Let's open this part.
I'm gonna go inside, okay, Bushra?
Guys, see, this is so spacious. I already have placed so much stuff, but this bag still have a lot of space. The best part about this bag is it doesn't change its shape. No matter how much stuff do you carry, it wouldn't change the shape.
Okay.
So now let's start with inside. So this is the milk carrier. I carry Xavier's milk. If I'm going out somewhere which is maybe for a longer trip, I would carry more milk.
The good thing with this is that it measures the exact amount that you need to put in the bottle, right?
A baby lotion. I always carry. I want Xavier to smell nice all the time.
Okay.
Baby wipes. I use the sensitive perfume free. Of course, extra clothing. I always carry a bodysuit, a pair of jeans, or maybe a pajama. Guys, the most important thing, a changing pad. Because there would be so many places you would go to, you will not find a changing table. And in that case, for example, a trip to park, you wouldn't have a changing table. So this changing pad would help you do the nappy change for the baby.
Good point.
It's foldable, convenient, waterproof too. Okay, now the side pockets, guys. This bag has 1, 2, 3, 4 side pockets. and another pocket with a zip. So you can put some stuff here too. Zavi, watch out please. Sit down. Thank you. Thank you, Babu. Are you smiling? Come on. Okay, guys. So the first side pocket has some diapers for him. I use Pampers Toddlers. The second side pocket has a nappy cream. I also use Vaseline for him. I usually use Vaseline for him. A pacifier holder. I usually carry another pacifier if he loses one. I always carry baby Tylenol in my bag. Some baby napkins to wipe his face. So these were all the things that I carry in this diaper bag. The space inside and the side pockets.
Okay, now we're going to go to the front.
Yes, let's go to the front. What we have in the front. So this, it does look small, but this has a lot of space. So this net pocket, I carry some snacks for him. This is pumpkin, carrot, spinach. He loves it. These are rice rusk, which I always carry. These two pockets, I always carry some baby purees.
Xavier was about to fall down.
I got scared. Zavi, you have to be careful, Babu. Sit down. Yes, thank you. I don't want the pacifier. Thank you.
Okay, so what were
So
these?
some baby purees I always carry just to make sure that he has enough food if we are traveling for long.
Okay.
The third pocket has a small spoon.
Xavier keeps throwing his pacifier down.
Zavi, you want to
I
get
think it's
down?
time that we let him walk around and crawl around. What do you
Just
think?
put him down.
Go ahead.
Okay. Zavi, I'll put you down. Come. Okay.
Go.
Babu. Now coming back to the video, the third pocket has a spoon for him. So this is the front part of the bag that I put the baby puree, the snack, and a spoon for him. Closing that. Now moving to the side pockets, which are again very spacious. I always carry a water bottle, a sipper for him. I sometimes carry milk and water together, making sure that he has enough water. Now the other side pocket, a milk bottle for him.
Very nice. That's it?
That's it. See guys, it seems less stuff, but when you pack, it is a lot of stuff because there are times that I forget. So just this diaper bag is very convenient to carry everything and reminds me what to carry and what to put in each pocket. Sorry, Pook. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. I hope you found this video useful. Now the diaper bag is ready and we're ready to head out.
Are you excited, Zavi? Are you ready? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it and if you have something to ask, just share your thoughts below in the comment. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Your love means a lot.
Until the next video, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.